Welcome back to Cars Updates, where we bring you the latest and greatest in automotive news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Nissan Patrol Luxury SUV, a vehicle that promises to redefine what we expect from a full-size SUV. Design: the 2025 Nissan Patrol boasts a bold and muscular stance that commands attention on the road. The front grille is larger and more aggressive, giving it a powerful presence. Sleek LED headlights enhance visibility while adding a modern touch. The overall silhouette is refined, with flowing lines that balance sophistication and ruggedness. Nissan has also introduced new color options and wool designs, making it customizable to suit different tastes. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rough terrains, the Patrol's design is both functional and stylish. Interior: the interior of the 2025 Patrol is nothing short of luxurious. High-quality materials greet you as you step in, with plush leather upholstery and soft-touch surfaces creating an inviting atmosphere. The spacious cabin offers ample legroom for all passengers, ensuring comfort on long journeys. A state-of-the-art infotainment system sits at the center, featuring a large touchscreen display, smartphone integration, and a premium sound system that elevates your driving experience. Additionally, advanced climate control systems and customizable ambient lighting allow for a personalized touch. Every detail is crafted to provide an unparalleled sense of luxury. Performance: the 2025 Nissan Patrol doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, you'll find a robust engine lineup that delivers impressive power and torque. The SUV is designed for both on-road comfort and off-road capability, featuring advanced four-wheel drive systems that make tackling challenging landscapes a breeze. The smooth transmission enhances driving dynamics, whether you're cruising on highways or navigating rough trails. Fuel efficiency has also seen improvements, making the Patrol a more practical choice for everyday use. Overall, the 2025 Nissan Patrol Luxury SUV stands out as a top contender in the SUV market. With its striking design, opulent interior, and powerful performance capabilities, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on the latest cars. Thanks for watching Cars Updates, and we'll see you in the next video.